Thank you, Member. And the call is to the member for Shortland.
Thank you, Mr Deputy Speaker. On Saturday, the Labor members of Parliament in the Hunter, Pat Conroy, Sharon Clayton and myself joined with the Shadow Assistant Health Minister, Stephen Jones, to lead a Medicare march from the Belmont Medicare office, which the Howard government closed and Labor reopened when they were in power, from there to the foreshore of Lake Macquarie, where there were over 500 people involved in that march. And they were saying no to the Abbott government's GP tax, no to cuts to health, and no to increased prices in prescriptions. It was a very interesting rally because when the Shadow Minister was speaking, he asked people there to put up their hand if they'd ever been to a rally before. 80% of the people that raised their hands said they'd never attended a rally there. The oldest participant in the rally was 96. He had been to a rally before. But there was a 92-year-old and an 87-year-old that had never been to a rally before in their life. There were young people, there were families, there were children. There was so much angst and anger about the proposal to charge a GP tax, a $7 GP tax, when people visit the doctor. I have never seen people so willing to turn out before. Now, speakers at the rally were the Mayor of Lake Macquarie, Jodie Harrison, who is going to be the state candidate in the seat of Charlestown, Yasmin Catley, who will be the Labor candidate in the seat of Swansea, Jake Howell, who is a registered nurse who works in accident and emergency, and he expressed his concern about how the GP tax would impact on the accident and emergency department at Belmont Hospital. We also had Deirdre Ham, who is a pensioner, who talked about how she'd recently had 2 knee replacements and how important it was for her to be able to go to a doctor that bulk billed. Gary Kennedy from Trades Hall also spoke at the rally. It was really interesting to see the level of community support for this particular march and rally. I was speaking at a function on Saturday night, and one of the people that worked in a local business said that the people just kept coming and coming and coming. Now, probably one of the most interesting aspects of the rally was that the state Liberal member for Swansea turned up, and he was quoted, he gave an interview to the local TV station where he said it was a bad decision and that he and the New South Wales state Liberal government opposes a GP tax.